Get It Made involved in the manufacturing industry. We sort of consider ourselves sort of online manufacturers. So we're only a small team of 4 people, and we sort of the services we offer are like CNC machining, injection molding, so all these sort of very common manufacturing processes, also like 3D printing. Bit that makes us a bit different from traditional manufacturers is that we don't manufacture anything in-house, so we subcontract all work and we add a very slick sort of customer service on top of manufacturers. And manufacturers usually quite bad at sort of maybe even just simple things, just getting back to people. Before that, it was just myself just working in sort of mainly 1 or 2 inboxes and organising it that way. And because it was just myself, it was relatively easy to manage. And that's where I realised, if Get It Made grows, how do I transition this into being something that multiple people can handle? And I don't sort of generally like everyone in the business having their own email address. So I wanted one sort of team company email address that everyone can operate from. And then through a bit of research, obviously we came across Hiver. Kind of very time sensitive, so if we don't get back to a client straight away, we might lose the project or they'll just be unhappy. So we need the confidence to know, okay, you can reply to this email, but then once I'm away, I know my colleagues can just pick it up and they haven't got to go searching. The emails that need my conversations can be responded to by them, really. So I think this is not complicated, which is why it's quite good, because it's got a very simple sort of interface. It doesn't take up much space like in the window, but it helps you get a lot done. That's the kind of the big thing it kind of solves for us. I don't know how we'd do it otherwise, to be honest. We use the notes feature a lot, sort of at each other in the notes, because sometimes, obviously when inquiries come down, at least my colleagues will ask me questions. So we'll have discussions there, but yeah, assignments we do use. We've sort of been using automations in quite an interesting way, because sometimes we get a lot of clients who ask us to sign NDAs, and then they might not come back to us for a month or 2. And sometimes then they'll randomly send a new email in a completely different chain, no reference to the NDA, and be like, hey, can you quote this? When a client's requested an NDA, I set up an automation that says any emails from this client assign an NDA tag. Whenever they get an email from that client now, it will be tagged NDA, and then everyone knows what it kind of means. I've been using just the built-in analytics, and just sometimes to see who is busy in the team and also how busy the team is, and maybe comparing the number of emails received this week to last year or something like that. Always just like, as soon as I notice something, I'm straight on on the chat, and there's always someone there instantly. I don't have to hang around for a minute. It's like amazing, to be honest. I wish everyone's customer service was the same.